Make a great choice today with
the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.